If you are a panel beater or an auto painter looking for a work permit visa in Australia, and this is for you. Baasu is connected with top-rated smash repair companies across Australia. Today, we're going to talk about one such big company based in Sydney.
Johnny Caravasilius, owner of MPSR Group, the family business where you all want to come and work. It's the place to be, the biggest in Australia. MPSR, here's my shop. All the cars waiting for repairs.
John, can you just explain that which was your first workshop and then you expanded now?
Yeah.
So can you please tell me where you started in this place and then now where you are at the moment?
We started at maybe 80 cars we started. And then we went into this building, we done maybe 180 cars.
Right.
But then after COVID, we lost a lot of workers and now we're currently doing 120 cars. So we want to get back up to the 180. And then now this addition to us added last week, we want to get up to over 200 cars. That's our 12-month goal.
Very good.
So when we get more workers,
Just walk
that's
through,
what we
yeah.
want to do.
So how many workers you have at the moment?
We got 70 workers at the moment.
70.
70.
And how many of them are Filipinos?
There's around 20 of them would be Filipino.
Right. Okay.
Yes.
So this is your first one?
First one, let's go up here
Yeah.
and I'll talk about it. Our
Yeah.
work is, we've got OEMs, we've got Volkswagen, we've got Tesla, we've got BYD. They're all our OEM badges. And then we do all insurance work we're preferred for. Insurance, Allianz, Suncor, IAG, Budget Insurance, Zurich Insurance. They're all our preferreds and they send us, between them, they send us maybe 200 claims a week. 200.
Right.
That's why I want to get up to 200 repairs.
All right.
And also, if we had enough workers, I think we can get even more than 200.
Okay. So this is mainly for panel beating, yeah?
This is all panel beating.
All right.
The paint shop, we've got one gas arch here and rads. So we use waterborne paint here, Stando Blue, and you see there's a lot of guys starting to clock off in the afternoon. But yeah, there's a lot of guys in the paint shop, and we've got all the latest technology, materials, consumables. We use the best of everything.
Okay.
To get our drying lamps, to make sure we can get at least minimum 30 cars painted every day.
So it's much quicker.
Much quicker. We got a lot of technology to get it dried quick, get it out quick.
So how many guys do you do in this area in a week's time?
In the repairs?
Yeah.
So if we're averaging maybe out of here we'll be repairing at least 120 cars a week.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right.
Hello, ako po si Georgian Geldosola, Tugong Cebu City, Philippines. I'm now 43 years old. Na-hire po ako dito sa MPSR noong November 21, 2016. So it will be 9 years this year. Ako po ay isang pintor. Napakaswerte ko po na napunta ako dito sa MPSR kasi mabait po yung amo ko na si Boss Johnny. Ito po yung ginagawa ko as a pintor. Right now I will be painting the Volkswagen Big One. So as painter, so as usual we do the blends for the rear door and the front door. And in this car we do some private, and that was the insurance job, and it is the private job. We do the blend bars and there's some parts. So we do have an arch. It is an infrared. It takes like 320 degrees for the heater. So we do the base and then we on this infrared around 320 degrees Celsius to dry very quick for the base, and then do the clear so that the job will be done quick and fast. So, ito pa.
All these cars are going to come from prime, they're going to go to paint. All these cars are waiting to paint.
Once the panel beater there,
They get
So-
primed,
They get primed over
and
there.
then they're here waiting for paint because paint's behind.
Of course,
We
of
need
course.
more painters.
So at any given stage, looking at about 50 cars to be painted.
Yes,
at
correct.
any given time.
There's around 50 cars waiting at a time for paint.
So we at least need about 10 vehicle painters at any given
Yes.
time.
So we're painting maybe 24 cars on average. We need at least 40 cars painted a day.
40, okay.
So everywhere else is pretty good repairs and that, but paint's very behind.
So when the third workshop is fully operational in about 2 weeks' time, so we expect this paint jobs to be going to 50 or 60.
No, without manpower, no, we won't get
Okay.
to that.
So, but there
when
is
we
a
get
capacity.
manpower, then we'll get
Then,
it going.
then accelerate. Okay.
Yeah.
What are the software they use? I can see.
My body shop.
The body shop, is
So
it?
every single worker will clock onto the job.
Right.
So that's how we keep track. We got over 70 workers, 73 workers, 200 cars on site. So we know where every car's up to. They will clock onto the job.
Right.
Then you can look at the system. Do you want to come over?
Yeah, just quick look to the system because I see it everywhere. So
Ako pala si Rio Isonar from Davao City, Philippines. I work almost 8 years from my boss Johnny. He's a good person, he's a kind person. And
You have some of the details.
yeah,
so the job card.
the job card. And
When the car checks in, we
yeah,
check
check
it in.
in and
When you strip it, remove.
remove first and parts list. After parts list, proceed to repair. So,
Car repair,
car repair,
The
Armando,
painter can do.
and the filler next, the primer. After the primer is paint preparation, masking, done.
Any issues, they can explain it to them.
Sure.
And again, me, I'm on the floor. I'm always here. I'm here maybe 20 hours a day. They can always ask me.
absolutely. So we're looking at least 4 to 5 floor leaders, plus you, plus the general manager, plus
Yeah.
the workshop manager. So about 7 or 8 people.
Yep,
at
always
any given
around.
time. Always around to do that.
And my wife's always here as well, running around.
Okay. Telling you what to do.
Yeah, of course.
What's this area? Just spares?
So all here is all the damaged parts that get stripped from the cars, but we need to keep them because when the car, after painting, it comes to refit. So when we refit it, we might be stripping the old bar, like the brackets and that, to put onto the new painted parts. So that's all there. Then after it gets fitted, then we'll throw out.
Sure.
We don't throw nothing until the car's complete and gone. QC, polish, wash, and customer pick it up. Now this car is one of those cars that's due out tomorrow. This is my home. This is where we're all family here. Would love you to join the team. I'm 36 years old. I'm here for another 50 years, I hope. Okay. I want you to be part of my family, part of the furniture. Please come.
Excellent. Thank you, John. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
John. Thank you.
Thank you.